Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Paid 50p for this. I'm pretty sure I've had one before. Not sure if it was identical. It could even be the same one. It could be I took it to a charity shop, somebody's played with it and brought it back. Anyway, it's good old style metal. Friction push along. Front wheels have come loose. They're in there, so they're not lost. Made in China, Shanghai, 2010. Schylling, is it? Is that German? I can't remember. Anyway, all I'm going to do is just open the tabs up gently, hopefully not breaking them, and put the front wheels back in place. So, gently lever up. Now on some YouTube channels, videos, this would be covered in rust or brown something or other, and then it would be miraculously nice and shiny when they'd finished. That's not what I'm doing here. It is what it is. Come on. There we go. So there we are, a flywheel. I think that little spring should go down and touch so it makes a noise. That is often the way these work. Just they make a noise as they go along. But that one's not doing that. Unless it's supposed to go against the side of the flywheel and make a noise. Well, looking at the wear on the brass gear there, it does look like it probably did originally rub against it. That didn't do it. Not going to touch it, yes. Doesn't seem to be doing much. It just it does make a little bit of a noise, but probably can't hear it. Anyway, these fellas. In there. A little bit of a twist. Okay, just enough to stop them popping out. I don't think so, but it is possible that might have had a flint on it to make it spark. But I don't think so in this case. I think that just rubs against it to make a noise. They're rather fun aliens, aren't they? Yeah, it does make a bit more of a noise now. Okay, that's it really. I suppose I could push it along the kitchen floor just so we can watch it go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.